Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chloe. I hope you are doing well. Today's video is an unboxing of my very recent purchases from Louis Vuitton. I got a total of 3 items and I'm going to share each one with you. The first box is this small size. Let me open it up. Inside, we have a silk bundle featuring a beautiful monogram print. On the other side, the print is in a beige color theme. It's made of 100% silk, and the length of this bundle is 47.2 inches, with a width of just about 2 inches. The next item is in this box. Let's open it. Inside, we have a very special monogram shawl featuring the iconic pattern with a futuristic metallic finish. It's incredibly beautiful and shiny, made of 60% silk and 40% wool. I can wear this with a casual outfit during the daytime or match it with a party dress for an evening look. The length of this shawl is about 46.1 inches. I am so excited to wear this. And this is the last piece in this box. Let's open it together. Inside we find a dust bag. Let's see what's in it. This is my newest Speedy in size 20. It's a monogram coated canvas laminated for a metallic shine. As you can see, it's very shiny, and you will notice the holographic blue color reflecting changes in the light. It's so special and so pretty. The bag has top handles as well as the longer strap in navy blue leather, a color I love. The dimensions of this Speedy 20 are 8.1 inches in length, 5.3 inches in height, and 4.7 inches in width. The strap drop ranges from about 19.3 inches to 21.3 inches. The strap is removable and adjustable, allowing you to wear it as a crossbody for a casual look or carry it by hand for a more formal and ladylike appearance. Now I'm going to show you what you can possibly fit inside this bag. Okay, here is I have the card wallet. This is from the Hermes. And I have a key pouch. This is from the Louis Vuitton Key Clay. And a compact. This is from the Chanel. A hand cream from the Chanel. And a lipstick. This is from the Dior. Let me show you the color. It's my current favorite lipstick at this moment. And our perfume. This is the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle perfume in travel size. And I'm gonna have my Agenda PM. This is from the Louis Vuitton. And let me close the zipper. And looks like this. This is a small size bag, but as you can see, you can hold a lot. You can have pretty much every daily essential inside. I like the size in this 20. I'm not sure if you guys can see the inside. Let me try to capture that. As you can see, you still have lots of room. You can have more lipstick, lip gloss, or small things like keys, or hand lotion, or sunglasses, and your phone. That concludes today's video. I am so excited to use these items as a set. I hope you enjoyed my new unboxing video. I will leave the website link down below, so please check the description box for more information. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Chloe Idea Collection, same name as this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!